Hi and welcome back. So in this video we're going to pretend that you want to buy this chair, and this is in fact going to be a big part of the app we're going to be building in this section. It's going to be a very simple app that is simply going to get the price of the chair and then be able to tell you whether you should buy it or not depending on the price of it. So this part of telling you whether to buy or not depending on the price is something we looked at in the last section. So really the only difference now is that instead of depending on the user to tell us something, we're going to get it from the internet. Now, we've just made a request to google.com and we've been able to get the entire code of the page. So now surely we can do the same with this page. And indeed, if you right click on the page and go to Inspect Element, you'll be able to get the entire code of the page shown here. And when we make a GET request, this is what we're going to be getting back. So now select the price of the chair, or indeed any other item that you're interested in getting. You don't have to get this chair, by the way. You can find something that you're more interested in. And then go to Inspect Element, and then it'll show you here this one element that is indeed what holds the price of the chair. Here you can see the £115. So now we know that this span item prop equals price, class equals now price is what we're interested in. If you remember from when we very quickly looked at XML, remember this is called a tag, this span, and these things are called attributes. And now we may or may not have looked at those, but these are also key value pairs. So item prop is the key or the name of the attribute, and the price is the value of the attribute. So this is a span tag with two attributes, item prop and class. And then item prop has the value price and class has the value now price. This is enough so that we can search for this specific tag and find out the price after we make our GET request. The first thing to do, however, is to make sure that we remember what this is so that we can look for it later on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a Python comment here with span item prop equals price, class equals now price. Like so. So now I remember this is what we're looking for, and we can close the page and focus on writing the code. So that's what we're going to be doing in the very next video. But first, let's get the link and put it here instead. And I don't think we need that. We don't need this either. So this is now the link. This is what we're looking for. Let's have a look in the next video at how we can exactly find that. So I'll see you in the next one.